Class 7 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will start your chapter 15 and that is the area. So you can see what is the area. So this is your area. So plane surface which is covered by any figure, that is called as area. Here you can see the yellow part of this figure, that is called as area. This one is, it is your area. And it is enclosed by this circle. You can see here. It is enclosed by this circle and it is colored with the yellow color. So that is the area, and area is always, remember, it is in the plane surface. So you can see here is the area. You can see it is bounded by this figure and it is your area which is colored. So you can see here is the leaf and it is also covered some area. So you can see here which area. This area is covered by this green color and that is the leaf color. So that is the area. And here is the area also you can see, and which is covered by this leaf, this one, and it is green. So that is the area total, that is it. But it is the bigger area, bigger leaf, and it is the smaller leaf, that is the smaller area, and it is the bigger circle and it is the smaller circle. You can see it is the rectangle and which is covered by this. You can see in this figure, and it is the pink color, and pink color is the area. So that one is called as area. So here is also, you can see this one is also a rectangle and it is shown in the figure, and that is the pink color, and pink color is the called as the area, and that is the surface area. So you can see here this area is the bigger than this area. Now come to the next one. So in this, the first, the area of an object is the space covered by it on a plane surface. Always remember it is on plane surface. Now area of rectangle, that is the length into width, and the area of square, that is the side into side, you can say side square. Diameter of a circle into, that is the 2 into radius. So you can see 2 into radius, and the area of circle, that is the pi r square, where r is the radius of circle, and the pi is, as you know, it is 22 upon 7 or 3.12. The unit of square is the square unit. So you can remember this one. So rectangle, you can see here, it is looking like this. It is the rectangle. This one is the length and this is the breadth. So you can say L and B. So square has this side, that the all sides are equal. So it is represented by small a. And this one is a circle. So you can see here is a circle. And this one is the center and this is the radius. And it is denoted by small r. So it is OA. This one is your radius. So let us start what will be happen in this exercise. And this area of a square, so that is equal to side square. So first example, if the side of a square is 5 centimeters, so you can write here side is equal to 5 centimeter. So area of square is equal to side square. Side is given as 5, so 5 square, that means 5 into 5. It becomes 25 centimeter square, or you can say square centimeter. So here is square centimeter, or you can say centimeter square, both are same. You can see here the 5 centimeter is given as a square and it is divided into 5 parts. So you can count this one. One part is the 1 square centimeter box. You can see this one is the 1 centimeter box. So first you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So it has 25. So area is 25. So that is the verification of this question. Now come to the example 2, that is the area of rectangle. So length is given here. You have to write length is given as 9 centimeter. And the breadth is also given, or you can say width. Width is given as 4 centimeter. You can see 9 centimeter long and wide is 4 centimeter. So area of rectangle. So you can write here area of rectangle, that is length into width or length into breadth, you can say. length into width. So length it is given as 9 and width is given as 4. So 9 4 jump 36 centimeter square. You can write this one or square centimeter. You can write any one of them, and that is your answer. Now come to the example third. It is your example third. Find the area of square whose side is given as 6 centimeter. So side is given as 6 centimeter. So you have to write this one. So square of find a square whose side. So area of square. It will be equal to side square. Side is given as 6, so that is the 6 square, so 6 into 6, that is 36 centimeter square, or you can say square centimeter, and that is your answer. Now come to the example 4, it is your example 4, two clothes, 2 meter length and 100 centimeter width. So find the area. So you can write here, length is given as 2 meter and the width is given as 100 centimeter. First of all, you can say do the same unit on both. So 100 divided by 100, it turns into meter. So that is the 1 meter. Now area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. It is length into width. Length is given as 2 and width is 1, so it is 2 meter square or square meter. So that is your answer. Now come to the next question. That is the example 5. A rectangular piece of a paper is 20 centimeter long and 25 centimeter wide. So you can write here length. Length is 25 centimeter and width is the 15 centimeter. So, if we fold a part of a paper to form a square, what will be the area of the biggest possible square that can be obtained from it? So you can see here. So what will be happen? So length is given as like this 25 and width is 15. This one you can see here. So that one is the 25 and it is your 15. And that one is also 15, so you can cut by the 15. So that one is the 15 centimeter. So that area is required and it is folded from here, and that is the 10 and this one is the 10 centimeter. Now area of square. So side is equal to side कितनी हो गई 15 centimeter. So area of square. Area of square is equal to side square. Side is given as 15, so 15 square. It is 15 square. So that means 15 into 15 and it is 225. That is the 225 square centimeter, and that one is your answer. Let us come into the example 6. What is in this? The length of rectangular floor of room is 12 feet. So length is given as length is equal to 12 feet. Now its breadth is 6 feet. So you have to write width. Width is 6 feet. Find the cost of 2 feet into 1 feet tiles to fit it on this floor if a piece of tile costs 10 rupees. So now first of all area of rectangle or area of floor. So you have to write here area of floor is equal to length into width. Length is given as 12 and width is 6. So 12 6 is 72 feet square or square feet. Now area of one tiles is equal to 2 into 1 feet square. So that is the 2 feet square. Now number of tiles, how can find number of tiles? It's equal to area of floor upon area of one tile. Now you can write here it is the 72 and here is 2. So that is the 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6 and 2 6 are 12. And that is the 36 tiles. Now cost. Total cost is equal to, it is the total cost. Total cost is equal to number of tiles into rate. Rate is given as 10 rupees per tiles. So number that is the 36 and here is the rate is 10. So it will be rupees 360 and that is your answer. Now come to the exercise 15.1. Find out the area of the rectangles whose length and breadth are as follows. Length is given as 5 centimeter and width is also 3 centimeter. You can see here this one. So area of rectangle, you can write here area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Length is given as 5 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter and that is the 15 centimeter square. You can say square centimeter and that is your answer. Now come to the second question. Second part of this question, length is given. Length is equal to 3.5 centimeter and width is given, that is the 2 centimeter. So area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Length is given as 3.5 centimeter and width is 2. So 2 5 are 10 and 2 3 are 6 and 1 7. So that is the 7 square centimeters. So that one is your answer. Now come to the next one. What is the next? Now find the area of the square whose sides are this one. So area of square, side is given, side is equal to 5 centimeter. So area of square, that is the side square. So you have to write side square. Side is given as 5 centimeter. So 5 square, so 5 into 5, that is 25 square centimeter. That one is your answer. Now come to the second part of this question. Side is further given. Side is 7 centimeter. So area of square, that means area of square is side square. So side square, side is given as 7. So 7 square. So you can say 7 into 7, that is the 49 square centimeter and that will be your answer. Now come to the third question. Area of square is 1 square meter. So you can write here area of square. It is equal to 1 square meter. Now it is changed into centimeters. How can change? So that is the 1 meter into 1 meter. As you know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So you can put here it is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. 100 you can multiply to this, we get 10,000 centimeter square. You can say square centimeter. So that is the answer. Now come to the fourth. Area of square is given this. Area of square. It is given as 10,000 and that is the square centimeter. Now square, side of square, you can say side of square, that is the square root of area of square. Area of square. So what will be happen? It is the 10,000. So we can change it to square root it will be 100 square. So that is the 100 centimeters. So that will be your answer. Now come to the how many a square. How many a square centimeters can be cut out of 10 square centimeter pieces of a paper? So you can see that is the how many 1 square centimeter can be cut off a 10 square centimeter piece of paper. Suppose it is a piece of paper and the here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So each are the 1 centimeter square. So that is the 1 centimeter square. It is also 1 centimeter. So you can say first of all that is the area of paper. Area of piece of paper. It is given as 10 square centimeter. One square centimeters. So you can say it is divided by 1. Area of square, that is the 1 centimeter square. So number of squares, you can say area of piece of paper upon area of square. That is the 10 and here is 1. So you can say 10 papers. So that will be your answer. Now come to the next one. So what will be in this 6th question? How many 2 square centimeter squares can cut out of the rectangle piece of paper 10 centimeter into 2 centimeter size? Do experiment can find out. So let us do. So length is given as area of paper. Now number of square. That will area of rectangle and area of square. Area of rectangle, that is the length into breadth, it is given as 10 centimeter, 10 into 2 centimeter. And area of square, that is the 2 into 2. So that one is the, so here is 2 1 are 2 and 2 5 are 10. So we will get 5 squares. So that one is your answer. Now you can check here how can do this. So that one is the your piece of paper, that is the rectangular paper, and here is the 1 piece and here is 2 piece, one, two, three, you can see here that one is the 10 centimeter, it is 10 centimeter and that one is the 2 centimeter. So you can watch. So here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can cut it to the 2 square centimeter. So first square, that is the 1. So it is the 1 square. So you have to write that is the 1. And second square, it is here. So you can see here 2 into 2, that is the 1 square is here. So you can say that is the 2. And 1 is here. So you can see here that one is the third square. And here you can see that is the 4th square. And it is your 5th square. And that is the verification of the answer. So you can prove this. Now come to the 7th question. The length of the rectangular floor is 6 meter. And the breadth is also given as 2 meter. On the floor, tiles the 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter are the fitted. Find out the cost of fitting tiles each. Find out the cost of fitting tiles in each of the cost 5 rupees. So let us start the first of area of rectangular floors. So you have to write length is given as 6 meter. Change into centimeters, so it is the 600 centimeter. Long width is given as, that is the 2 meter, so it is 2 meters, so you can change into 200 centimeters. So area of floor, it will be length into width. Length is given as, that is the 600 centimeter and it is the 200. It is the 6 to the 12 and this one is the 40 centimeter square, you can say square centimeter. Now area of one tiles is given as area of one tile. It is given as 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So you can say square centimeter. So number of tiles, that is area of floor upon area of one tile. So you can write here, that is the 1, 2, 0, 0. How many zeros? 4 zeros. And here is 10 into 5, that is the 50 square centimeter. So you have to write 50. So 0 cancel with 0. 5 to the 10 and 5 4 the 20 and double 0. So that is the 2400 tiles. So our total cost, that is the number of tiles into rate. Number of tiles is 2400 and rate is given as 5 rupees. So you have to multiply by 5. So that one is the rupees 0, 0, 5 4 the 20 and 5 to the 10 and 2, 12. So 12,000 rupees and that is your answer. Now come to the next question. 8th question, the side of a square is 10 meter. Find the change in area if the length of side is increased by 2 times. So let the length side is given as, side is 10 meter. So area of square is equal to side square. So that means 10 square. So that is the 100 meter square. So you can say square meter. Now a new side is, it is the 2 times increased 2 times. So 10 into 2, that is the 20 meter. 20 meter. So area of new square, it will be side square, that is 20 square. So it becomes 400 square meter. So area of new square upon number of new square upon the area of new square and area of square. Area of old square है, but you can write square. So new square is 400 and the first square, that is the 100. So you can cut here. So that is the 4 times. You can write here. So 4 times. So that will be your answer. Now come to the next one. So the second part of this question. So side is given as, that is the 10 meter. So square area of square. area of square, that is the side square, and it will be 100 square, that is the 100 into 100, that is the 10 into 10, that is the 100 meter square. So that one you can say meter square or square meter. So side of new square, it will be 3 times, so 3 into 10, and that is the 30 meter. So area of new square is equal to side square. Side is 30 and whole square, that is the 900 square meter. Now area of new square upon area of square, that is the 900, and here is the 100 only, so double zero is cancelled out, so it becomes 9 times. So that one is your answer. Now come to the next one, that is the 9. Upper rectangular surface of table is 200 centimeter long and 50 centimeter wide. So you can write here length. Length is 200 centimeter and width it is given as 50 centimeter. Find the cost of covering the completely with the Sanmaika in rupees. If the Sanmaika cost is 25 paisa per square centimeter. Now it is the rate, so you can find the area. Area of rectangle, it will be length into breadth, or you can say width length is given as 200 centimeter and it is 50, and it is the 2 5 the 10, and how many 0? 1 2 3 0, 1 2 3 0, and it is square centimeter. Rate is given as how, that is the 20 paisa per square centimeter. So we can change into rupees, so it is 0.25 rupees per square centimeter. So total cost is equal to area into rate. Area is given as 100, how many zeros? 4 zeros. And into rate is 0.25. So remove the decimal and put here 100. So double zero is cancelled out here, and it will be rupees 2500. So that one is your answer. Now come to the next, the 10th question. The wall of a room are rectangular. Each wall is 3 meter long and 2 meter wide. So you can say here length is given as 2 meter, 3 meter, it is 3 meter. Length is 3 meter and width is 2 meter, and it will be changed into centimeters. So it will be 300 centimeter and it will be 200 centimeter. So area of wall, each wall length. So area of one wall, that is length into width. So that is the length is given as 300 and width is 200. So that is the 60,000 square centimeter. Now area of 4 walls, you can write here area of 4 walls, that is 4 into 60,000 square centimeter. Now 6 to the 24 and the 40 square centimeter. Now the rate is given as 10 paise per centimeter, square centimeter. So it will be changed into rupees. So 0.10 rupees per square centimeter. Now total cost, area into rate. Area is given as 2, 4, how many zeros? 4 zeros. You can see here. And into there is the 0.10. So you can remove the decimal and here put the 100. So 0 will cancel this one and 10 is cancelled here. So that one is rupees 24,000 and that one is your answer. Now come to the area of circle. This is the radius. OA is the radius of the and the BAB is diameter. So you have to see AB is diameter of circle and OA is the radius of circle. Now area is the diameter is 2 into radius and the area is pi into radius square. You can say pi r square also. So always remember this one. So you have to know area is equal to pi r square and pi is equal to 22/7 or you can say 3.14. Now come to this exercise 15.2. So here is the find the area of circle and given is radius. First is the radius. Radius is given as radius is 3 centimeters. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. That one is the r. So pi is 22/7 and r is given as 3. So 3 whole square. So you can say it is the 3.14 also and this is the 9. So 9 4 ja 36, 6 9 1 ja 9 and 3 12, 1 carry and 9 3 ja 27 and 1 28. It is in centimeter square or you can say square centimeter. That will be your answer. Now come to the next one. The length radius is given as 7 centimeters. So area of square and that is the pi r square. Put the value pi r is given as 7. So 7 square. So pi is 22/7. Here is 7 into 7. 7 will be cancelled out. So we get 22/7. So 7 to the 14 and 7 to the 14 and 1 15 and it is square centimeter and that will be your answer. Now come to the third question. Radius is given as 14 centimeters. So area of square is equal to pi into r square. So pi is 22/7 and it is 14 square. So it is 22/7, 14 into 14. So here is the 7 2 ja 14. Now multiply here. It is 22 into 14 2 ja 28. Now 28 and 22. So 2 8 ja 16 and 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5. Here is once again you can write here. So 6 and 5 that is 11 5 and 6 the 616. So that is the 616 square centimeter. So that one is your answer. Now come to this one. Find the area of circle with the given diameter. Diameter is given here. Diameter is equal to 8 centimeter. As you know, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. It is 8/2, that is the 4 centimeter. It will be radius. Now find the square, area of square. So area of square, it will pi r square. So pi is 22/7 into r square, that is the 4 square. So you can say it is 3.14 and here is the 16. It will be 50.24 square centimeters. So that one is your answer. Now come to the next one. So there is the 20 centimeter. It is your diameter. So you can write here diameter. It is 20 centimeter. Find the radius. Radius will be equal to diameter divided by 2. So diameter is 2. Here is the 20/2. That is the 10 centimeters. Now find the area of circle. Area of circle, that is the pi r square. It is the r. pi is 3.14 and r is 10 and whole square. So that is 3.14 into 100. So that is a 314 centimeter square, or you can say square centimeter. So that will be your answer. Now come to the last question of this exercise. So diameter is given as 14 centimeter. Find the radius. Radius will be equal to diameter divided by 2. So that is the 14 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. So that will be 7 centimeter. Now area of square, that is the pi r square. Pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 7. So 7 whole square, that is the 22 upon 7. Here is 7 into 7. 7 will be cancelled out. So we get 22 into 7. 7 to the 14 and 7 to the 14 and 115. So square centimeter. So that will be your answer. Your exercise with this, you can see some button here, and you can subscribe my channel and share to everyone and like also. Thank you. Have a nice day.